Consider a drop of rainwater having a mass 1 gram, falling from height 1 kilometer, hits the ground with a speed. Okay. Take G as constant and 10 meter per. The work done by it by the gravitational force first. Work done by the gravitational force and the resistive force of air. First, work done by gravitational force F into S. Ball is moving and G is along upon mg into that H. Is a work done by the gravitational force. Work done by the gravitational force is m is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 3 gram a kilogram மாத்தியாச்சு. G is nothing but 10. It traveled height of 1 kilometer, nothing but 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. Cancelling. Work done is nothing but 10 joules. First part answer is 10 joule and plus 10 joule. This should be that. This cannot be. Minus left. Work done by the gravitational force is the body is moving along the gravitational force. Second part, resistive force. Here, when it comes down, when it falls, the potential energy should be when it reaches to the ground. We are going to verify it. Potential energy formula mgh 10 joule இருக்கும். மேல இருக்கிறப்போ potential energy 10 joule. When reaches to the ground, kinetic energy should be the same value, whereas we will see half into m into v square. They have given what velocity it hits the ground. Half into m is nothing but 1 gram 10 to the power of minus 3 into v 50 the whole square 2500. When we calculate, this term is 1250 or 1.250 is the kinetic energy when it hits. What happened to the energy it lost, which is the work done by the resistive force? Work done by resistive force is nothing but work done by resistive force is final energy minus initial energy potena. So final energy final minus energy initial, which is 1.25 minus 10, which is equal to minus 8.75 joule is the work done by resistive force. This is the answer. Okay.